Hi everyone, Dom here from the Panasonic kitchen, and in this quick video I just want to talk through some of the features of our brand new cooking blender product from Panasonic. We're really excited about this. It's not just a blender, it cooks food as well, so you can make anything from cold smoothies to hot soups, from purees to pasta sauces. The flexibility you have for this product is really fantastic. It comes with 9 automatic cooking modes already included, as well as a manual mode that gives you even more options. In terms of the cooking temperatures, you can go from anything from 37 degrees centigrade right up to 100 degrees centigrade as well. We've even got 10 different power modes for the blade. We've also developed this quiet cover to sit really nicely on top of the blender with a silent valve at the top. This is designed to massively reduce the amount of noise that the blender makes. We know that blenders can be one of the noisier appliances in the home, and we've designed this cover to sit really nicely on top. It's got a rubber seal at the bottom, it's got rubber seals at the top of the valve as well, and that does a really great amount of work in reducing the volume. And lastly, and most excitingly, we've actually developed a brand new app that goes with this product and another new product of ours, the multi-cooker. It's called the Panasonic Kitchen Plus app, and it's designed to completely elevate the way you use our new products. It provides you with loads of new recipes, loads of tips and tricks on how to use these products. You can download the app from the App Store or the Android Store, and it's really great, and it's perfectly designed for this product, our new blender, and our multi-cooker as well. If you're interested in either of those products, please do visit our online stores. You can purchase direct from Panasonic. The links are in the description below the video, and you can buy from Panasonic and find the perfect kitchen appliance for you. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.